Few things to look for when you're getting ready to start your project of recovering your greenhouse. Once we get it uncovered, we want to take a line of sight down the side of our greenhouse and make sure that our ground stakes are all looking like they're still in line. We don't have any shifting, moving, or settling. We use 2x6 pressure treated wood. That's what we suggest in our instructions for your greenhouse as well. This greenhouse was covered for 8 years. Now, while this wood is still pretty solid, you can still screw into it, drill into it, whatever you needed to do. However, 8 years of humidity has done work on this. We do have warping and some separation. So one thing to plan for when you're gonna recover your greenhouse is to go ahead and maybe get you some timbers on site. Take a visual inspection prior to starting your project. Go ahead and get those timbers ordered. They'll be there on hand when you need to replace either the entirety like we need to do on this top run here, or as you need a piecemeal like we're gonna have to do on this bottom run here. Again, 8 years this one was covered before we thought the poly needed to be torn off and replaced. We'll see you on the next one.